Hello guys, today I'll show you how to create an image using Leonardo AI. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First, open the Leonardo AI website or app. Then click on Generate. After that, paste your prompt. You can even ask ChatGPT to help you write one. Once you paste the prompt, wait a few seconds. And now you can see that Leonardo AI has created a beautiful image for us. If you want to download the image, simply click on the download option and it will be saved to your gallery. So guys, that's how you can easily create images using Leonardo AI. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.